Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a VS Code extension which allows you to open and live preview HTML, CSS and PHP files inside your localhost server. It can be any browser, Chrome, Firefox. Just write this open php/html in the extensions tab. This extension will come right here. It's used by almost 5 lakh people. So simply install this. After installing this extension, go to your index.html file, and as you can see it will add this option right in the status bar as well, open in browser. So as soon as you do this, it will open it inside your default browser. You can even change this setting as well by going to the user setting file. So by default Chrome is selected, but you can delete this. So if you delete this and start it from scratch, it will ask you which browser you want to set as your default browser. So here from the drop down you can set either Firefox. So now it opens it inside your Firefox browser. So you can even edit this inside by going to your user settings file by simply selecting which browser you want to select. It can be Chrome, Chromium, a custom browser as well. So here you can set the custom browser here. So once again you can right click as well and simply say open in default browser, and now it opens your HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. It can be a PHP file as well. So if I also show you the PHP file, so if I just write here, so as you can see now this is a PHP file. So in this easy way you can also do this. Invalid configuration, document root folder must be set to use HTTP localhost. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.